What's up guys, today I'll be showing you how to fix any Steam game that has a blank icon and you can't figure out how to fix it. Like you've tried all the other videos like I have. I've done a lot of Reddit searches and all that, and I figured out how to fix it. There's multiple ways. So the first thing y'all can try is go to properties, change icon, browse. You want to go to, even if your game's on a different hard drive or SSD or whatever, you want to go to your local disk, programs 86, program files 86. You want to go to Steam, Steam again, games. Now I have CSGO, and as you can see, this is where all the icons are stored, and CSGO isn't here. So if it isn't here, what you want to do is exit out of all of this. You want to open up your Steam. You want to go to library, find whatever game you're trying to get the icon to fix for, properties, local files, and verify the integrity of the game files. Now this can take a couple of minutes, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna skip to when this is done. So I'll see y'all there. Alright guys, so my game files have finished validating or verifying or whatever you want to call it, so you can go ahead and close out of Steam. Now you want to right click again, properties, change icon, browse, and you're going to go to local disk, program files 86, Steam, Steam again, games. Now after validating the file, the icon should be here. You just want to click on it, click open, OK, and apply. Now some games that may not work, so the last thing you can try, and this is almost guaranteed to work, is go to change icon, browse, and go to wherever you have the game installed. So I have it on my 2TB HDD. So you're going to go to wherever your library is, Steam library, Steam apps, common, and you want to find whatever game it is, CSGO for me. And then you can just click on the application file and open it and apply. But it's always going to look a little different than the what Steam wants it to be, so that's why I recommend the other way. But if you can't get it to work through Steam, this does work, but it's not going to look the same. So guys, that is it. I am going to be keeping it through the Steam way, so once again, for the very last time, it's local disk, program 86, Steam, Steam again, games, and then it will be here if you've verified your game files. So, other than that, y'all, have a great day. Thanks for dropping by. Leave a like and subscribe. Peace.